Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to have a look at this new large folding EDC knife from Civivi. This is the Placoid. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome knife from Civivi and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase this knife. And before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at Civivi for sending me this knife to review. Let's get started. Let's begin with a quick size reference just so you get a better idea for the overall size of this knife. Here it is next to a large permanent marker. Here's a look at them vertically next to each other so you can compare the thickness of them. Let's get a rough overall measurement with the blade closed. Looks like we got just about 5 inches overall length. Now with the blade open, back to vertical. And let's try to take a rough measurement here with the blade open from the tip to the ending of the handle. We got 8 inches right here, looking like about 8.5 inches overall length. Let's have a look at the top of the knife here so you get a better idea for the overall thickness of this knife. All right, so here's a pair of chopsticks. This is the thicker side, and it looks to be just about the same thickness as that. Let's run a ruler across here, and I got my fingers kind of edged up to where the scales are. So if we count both sides, looks like we got just about 1/2 inch thick. Let's have a look at the thickness of the blade here over in the thumb ramp area, and it looks to be just about 2/4 thick. Let's run a ruler across here and see what we get. And it looks like it's just a little bit over 1/16, almost 1/8 of an inch thick. All right, let's get this knife on the scale so you know how much weight you're going to be putting in your pocket. Coming in at 4.7 ounces. And just in case you're wondering what 4.7 ounces might feel like in your hand, well, if you got a couple of AA batteries around the house, weighs almost as much as 6 of those. Let's have a look at your opening mechanisms. There are 2 ways. First off, you have this flipper lever right here at the top. A little bit of jimping on here to give your finger a little bit of grip and a little bit of curvature here too. And you just pull back on it, blade will fly open. And of course you got your dual thumb studs, so you can flick this open with your left or your right thumb. You just got to make sure that you're not covering the fin up here. So you can just rotate it around like this, or you can flick it open. The action on this knife is absolutely smooth and quick, pivoting on a caged ceramic ball bearing system. This knife does have a liner lock, so if you follow the liner all the way around, you're going to see that there is an arm that swings over and locks into place at the base of the blade to make sure it doesn't close. So to close it, you just got to move that arm back on the side, close it up. Let's have a look at the blade, starting off at the thumb ramp area. There's a closer look at the jimping. Let me turn this sideways so you can see just how aggressive that is. All right, nice feel. They're calling this a clip point blade. Maybe a drop point, whatever it is, it's modified. Little swedge at the top, looking pretty sweet. And this is a black stonewash finish. This blade also has a sharpening choil located right here, and that's going to help you sharpen the entire edge from the tip all the way down to the heel. This is a flat grind, so there's no curvature here on the flats. It's going to be very easy to sharpen and maintain this, and you're going to have a very strong edge with all this mass behind here. Steel type being used is a Swedish 14C28N. 14C28N, a great Swedish steel with 14% chromium. It's going to give you really good corrosion resistance, and with just a kiss of nitrogen, it's going to help strengthen the blade and help with edge retention. It's going to be really easy to sharpen and maintain. As you can see, check out the polished edge on here. We're going to test that out in just a little bit. Let's have a closer look at these G10 scales. Now this is coarse G10, so you can see how it's picking up the light when you tilt it in different directions. It's got really nice texture on here. Now there's a shredded blue G10, there's a wood handled version, and a black out there as well. Absolutely gorgeous milling. You can see how there is an outline of the milling that goes all the way around. Gorgeous G10. Let's have a look at the grip here. Small curvature here, and 2 subtle curves here, and just a little bit of a hook down in the pommel area. And guys, massive knife, right? Plenty of space for all of your fingers. You can get your whole hand on here. Very comfortable grip. Let's pop this open and have a look inside of the knife. You can see here that we have skeletonized liners. You can see sections have been milled out there to save on weight. I'm gonna flip you over. No back spacer. Again, love the usage of standoffs. Gorgeous. Matches the finish and the blade. Here's a closer look at your pocket clip. That should be pretty deep carry. There's a profile look there. It is reversible to the other side. And this will be tip-up carry only. Here's a quick look at what this knife is going to look like when you dunk it down in your pocket. It should absolutely disappear. Deep carry. All right, there is your profile view there. Back over to the front. All right, let's see how this factory edge cuts coming right out of the box. Got some newspaper here. Let's do some nice slicing. Very nice. Nice and smooth, no toothiness. Love that. One more cut. Love it. With the sharpness of this edge and all that mass, we should have no problems getting through some paracord. And that belly. Easy job. And let's close up by cutting through some cardboard. This should absolutely smash through this. Yep. Not even really putting a lot of effort into it, just letting it do the work. Once again, guys, this has been the Placoid from Civivi. Comfortable in the hand, quick to open, great Swedish steel that comes screaming sharp right out of the box. If you're looking for a larger folding EDC knife, this could be a great option for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome knife, make sure to check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.